Welcome to this 10-minute seated Yoga Nidra experience. Find a comfortable seated position with your feet flat on the floor, if that's available to you, and with your spine erect, open, long spine. When you're ready, allow your eyes to close and begin to quiet your mind. Be still. Release all thoughts, worry, and tension. And give yourself fully to this present moment. Relax. Trust. And let go everything that was before this moment. Breathe in fully. And exhale with a deep sigh. Letting go. And again, breathe in fully. And let out with a deep sigh. Letting go even more. Begin to feel relaxation washing over you. Now bring this intention into your awareness. I give myself permission to relax deeply. Repeat this intention silently now 3 times. I give myself permission to relax deeply. Now bring your awareness to your face. And allow all expression begin to melt from your face. With the next exhalation, relax your eyes even more, releasing any tension around the eyes, allowing the eyeballs to rest back in their sockets. Releasing the tiny muscles around the mouth, tongue resting in the mouth, lower jaw gently opening and softening, allowing the cheeks to soften towards the floor. Scalp resting on the skull. Neck softening, easing. Simply be available to the entire range of sensations in your face and your head. And now feel your whole body beginning to relax even more. Drop into your whole bodily sense of presence. Embracing this present moment's experience, undistorted by what you like or don't like. Let go of what is going. Let come that which is coming. In Yoga Nidra, you enter the subconscious energy field. Let your mind merge and melt into the sensations that you feel in the body. And now shift from thinking and doing to feeling and being. Do absolutely nothing from now on. Simply relax. All excess tension and holding carried out with each exhaling breath. Let go. Let go even more. Relax. Relax. As you breathe in through your nose, fill your lungs fully and completely without straining. And now start exhaling through softly pursed lips as if you're blowing through a straw. And let it be a prolonged, steady stream of breath, emptying your lungs completely. Breathe in completely. And breathe out completely without straining. Each time you exhale, empty your mind of all anticipations and empty your body of all tensions. And now return to your normal breathing and turn your attention inside. Bring your attention to the point between your eyebrows and drop into the deepest level of silent stillness, peace, and harmony. Let go. And now follow my guidance as we move through different parts of the body. As I name different parts of the body, simply bring your attention to that place, accompanied with the feeling of relaxation. All 10 toes, both ankles, both knees, pelvis, abdomen, chest, arms, throat, face, back of the head, shoulder blades, spine, buttocks, calves, heels, soles of the feet. And now sense the whole body from the top of the head to the tips of the toes. Whole body. And feel this intention. I give myself permission to relax deeply. And now deepen your breath, bringing your awareness back into your space, into the room you're in. And when you're ready, allow your eyes to open, entering your day, continuing with your day from this place of giving yourself permission to relax. Sending you much love and blessings.